2 minutes. Okay, technology issues resolutions. Now, suppose suppose application accessing via IP address and port number. Okay, this is the normal scenarios. Now, present we have accessing DNS IP address and port number, then application accessing, and this is not right way to access application. This is not right way to access application. Now client send client send request to DNS. Okay, request to WAV to request to HTTP server. Application server to database. This is the normal flow of the applications flow. So we can call it about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One is called about DNS. Second one is load balancer. Third one is WAF, web application firewall. Fourth one, HTTP server. Fifth one, application server. Sixth one, database. Okay. Okay. This is 6. Now, in any technology, I am saying about this is true. In any technologies, this is true. We are treated as true. See, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 6. Request is okay. Request will touch us to like this. Request will close. So I will show you a sample diagram. We have IHS application server and database. See, we will treat this is DNS. Load balancer. We have IHS application server. DB. Okay, like this. Suppose in these scenarios, it will directly hit It will directly hit like this. This will goes wrong in anywhere. Some of the organization it will treat like this. What about load balancer and what about valve? Okay, these are the component also can treat like this. After this, it will normal flow. It is normal flow. It will comes. A request is coming in this way and request going in this way. Okay, bidirectional. So in this scenario, this is wrong way configurations. So we can touch us here like this. This is wrong. We can verify LB team and WAP team, which port number, which IP address, and port number need verify. Port number configured. Verify by default. They are configure 80. Where servers 443 configured. Okay, we have verified the team's call and verify LB and WAP team. This is the flows. Each request will be touches. This client send request to DNS to WAP to DNS to request to LB. Okay, request to LB, request to WAP, request to IHS, application server and database. It will touches like this. It will not skip any steps. This is the right way to configure all IP address. If we can access application in application server IP and port number, if not comes application means blank page, no errors, in the logs also not generated. We can treat this issue as 503. Issue 503. 503. What is 503? What is error status codes? What is error status codes? What is error status codes? Nothing but every application or server have some default error status codes available. Default error status codes available. One is 404. Second one is 500. Third one is 503. Fourth one is 502. Fifth one is 301. it will treat like this by default. Okay, each and everything we can treat 404 issues. File not found certain locations, or modified the file name, or removed temporarily. What is 500? Server may be down, or server configuration issues. Okay, server configuration issues, plugin issues from IHS to application server. Any technology, this is the flow or architecture, and this is the error status codes present in every technologies, not VAS and WebLogic and AWS and DevOps. Any technology, these error codes are same. Okay, this error status codes are same. So 503, server unable to reach the request. Request is unable to reach the server, or unable to handle the client request. Verify load balancer team, verify LB and web request is coming or not, which port number need to be verified, and any packet losses we can verify through their backend servers. After this 502, bad request or gateway errors, connection timeout, issue with load balancer, some connectivity issues, their backend servers. Okay, backend servers nothing but, what is the backend servers? I will tell you what is backend servers. What is backend servers? Nothing but load balancer and a web and a IHS. These are the backend servers. And one more thing, these are the component of the technologies. DNS. These are the backend servers. Request is reaching or not, we can verify each and everything in the scratch, and verify in the Teams call, join the Teams call and verify each and everything in real-time scenarios. And 301, application authentication or authorization errors, need to verify LDAP, host name or port number or password with LDAP team, or we can use telnet, LDAP, host name or IP address, and LDAP port number. By default, this telnet 192.168.1.1 So I am verifying telnet. See, I am looking. I will show you LDAP. So my server is stop. I will open my server. Wait 2 more minutes. It will come. I will show you how to LDAP configurations we can did in our servers. This is my LDAP server. CMD 128. See, ping is working or not. We can verify. Oh, sorry, not here. In local, ping space -f 192 168 88 128. Verify ping. Yes, ping is working fine. No issues. Reported. See, okay. We are using telnet. Okay, LDAP. We can in the LDAP we can generate and 8.128 and 389 if connection was refused, you can raise LTPA token in the appropriate consoles, appropriate administrative consoles. I will show one sample LTPA token. One sample LTPA token I will show you. This is my VAS server. This is global security. Under global security, there is one LTPA token is there. There is security under global security. Under global security, there is authentication section. LDPA token is there. In the LDPA token, this is VAS admin @123. There is admin console password or LDPA server password. we can give slash opt, or we can use C drive Ganesh slash LTPA. Export. Yeah, exported. I will show you where is exported in my local C drive and Ganesh folder. There is LDPA token is available. In the LDPA token, this is the thing happened. See, this is okay. This is LDPA token. This is Ganesh, is the host name of the LDPA LDAP, and all the things you can treat. Now we can verify telnet is working or not for LDAP. I will show you. How to configure LDAP. I will show you in the real-time scenarios. See, telnet 192.168.88.128, 389 is the my port number. Telnet is not there. You can install the telnet. I will install. Telnet is not there. I will install telnet. Yum install -y telnet. Yeah, telnet is working. Internet is mandatory for this. Yum install command and DNF. Okay. Now, now cp space -pr etc host and ctc host underscore bkp. Now I am configure host. Okay. Now I am configure host 192.168.88.128 Windows 2008, and our servers 192.168.88.144. Our servers, I have no host, so I will use localhost. This is LDAP configurations in our servers. After this, we can configure under our application level or VAS level. By default, I am saying by default VAS and config and cells and DMGR cell and CD vim. Under that configurations, under that vim config.xml, you can verify such host. Say no host. That is the thing. No host. Shift G. That is the thing. Telnet. Say configuration, password and the username sensitive. This is the thing happened in the real time. Host, if we come host, it will come Realme and all the things. We can configure telnet LDAP IP address 389. Connected, okay? Connected means working fine my LDAP IP address and port number. So we can configure same LDAP in our servers by using vim.config.xml. We can use, okay, like this, or we can use application server also. We can configure our application servers in any cloud or anything. cd app server 1 config cells and a dm jar cell and a cd vim config and cells and config vim config.xml. You can search host, it will comes. If not there, we can map up in this. Okay, this is the thing. In application level we can use application server, but dmjar console level we can use same path. For dmjar also we can use like this, vim config.xml. This is LDAPA token. This is generated and sent back to the LDAP team. They will configure that. I will zoom it. This is LDAP token generated. Say single sign-on across the cell, providing sharing keys and password. To share the key and password, one of cell specify the key and click export button, then log with other cell, specify the key file and import the keys. Okay, this is the thing happen in the real-time scenarios. For Kerbos, we can use Kerbos. For Kerbos, we can use SSL certification and management. This is sorry, and security, SSL security. This is Kerbos configurations. In the Kerbos configurations, Pengo web authentication. This is the file. Developer giving this file, and we can configure this and browse. And after this, it will configure. It will come automatically. Enables Pengos. Enables Pengos. And enable this for authentication mechanism of our applications and create new. See, Kerbos authentication purpose. File criteria Pengo not supported a error page URL, and this token need to be gives in the real time scenario. This is the Pengo's authentication, very important. You can configure Pengo's configuration file. Application developer need to be give contact application developer. They given for Kerbos configuration file. We can browse and deploy here. And after this, Kerbos key tab error. We can use key tab file for application key tab error, means SSL errors also coming. After this, we can click new and configure all the fields. Click OK and cancel. This is one of the real-time issues we faced. After that, this is 389 working fine, no issues reported. Okay, after this, SSL handshake error. SSL handshake error, verify logs, either access.log and error.log. Okay, access log and error log. SSL handshake comes if certificate not mapped to our KDBs or key stores. After this, SSL handshake will comes certification expirations are not supported or DNS name or host name different. It will raise SSL handshake error. This I have some documentation is there for SSL handshake error. I will show the documentation. Recently, we have one video also taken, video also releases in my channel. You can look. This is SSL handshake in real time scenarios. You can KDB, KDB and RDB stash all the things. This is the high SSL path and under make SSL. This is the command, and we can create the KDBs and stash. When SSL handshake error comes, this is the 408. 408 means connection timeout, request to connection timeout. This is SSL handshake error like this. We have no certificate added in our KDB. This is my IP address of the client machine IP address. Client means I am only. Say 192.168.88.1. 198, 192, 168, 881. This is my IP address, my client IP address, our browser. Those who are accessing the application, they are not getting errors. So, if any getting error, if you are not getting open the application, there may be issue with our certificate or secure connection errors. How to resolve port conflict issues? See, port number is not running. Say shutdown port number is already used. We can verify list of open files. I 3443. This is the IP port number. We can kill this two port number and we can verify one more time and start the HS. After this, we can create the certificate and add the certificate into KDB and set as default. Now application is working fine. No issues is reported. After this, this is the root certificate. As the root certificate and the KDB plugin KDB application is secure. No issues reported. This is the issues. Okay, this is the steps already in my channel is available. Please verify my channel one more time. It will get SSL handshake video is there. In the video, I will deliver each and every step clearly mentioned. Okay, data source errors. How to configure data source? I will show practically how to configure data source in the real time. I will show. Go to the security and global security. In the global security, there is J2C authentication and J2C authentication data, and we configure new and alias SQL server or DB. We can use Oracle. We can use Oracle underscore database and use GANESH is the database username. Password is 71823456. Database. I given that this and I go to the security and go to the resources, go to the JDBC, go to the JDBC provider and select the cluster and click new. It will comes. I will start at least node agents. I will start at least node agent may need to be start. Test connection only node agents, not servers. Already this is the one of the certification question. Okay, while test connection is occurs, which either servers or nodes, only nodes. There is no server for test connection. Node agent is nothing but a server that creates automatically when federation into the DMZ cell. Node becomes node agent. Okay, after starting the server, we can only node agent. I am starting. There is no servers. I am starting, but perform test connection success because test connection becomes node agent, not servers. That is one of the scenarios we can identify in the certification question. This is the one of the certification question and interview questions. This is the real-time scenarios in any technology, not VAS and WebLogic, Apache, everything. Every technology, these are the common issues. Okay, in the common issues in the AWS and DevOps also same issues we can trigger. Okay, same issues we can trigger. Okay, for password generation purpose, there is a IAM policy management is there. Identity access management console is there. In the console, every 24 hours, password is changes. In the tool, in the cyber team will configure that password policy management. Each and every team, each and in one application is running in different teams are supported in the cyber team and VAS team and application team and application development team and service now team and support team. Each and every team need to be supported in the application database team and a firewall team and a load balancer team and a DNS team. Every team must and should be involved in all issues, in all real-time issues. Okay, in this we can treat simply 400, 400, 4 we can start 4 error codes we can treated as client side errors. Okay, 5 5x means 500, 501, 502, everything treated as server side errors 300 authentication or redirection request. These are the common scenarios we can identify. Servers nodes are started, no issues not there. We can configure data source. How configure data source? This is my Oracle servers. Provider database, Oracle database, and provider Oracle JDBC driver and XA and non-XA. XA means multiple databases connect. XA multiple databases connect at single point of time. Non-XA single database instance connecting at single point of the time. Some of the guys are asking my lower environment in the HTTP d.conf. This HTTP d.conf server name it will treat, and here DNS IP address and port number like this server name. My DNS IP address 192.168.88.1 is the my DNS IP address and 3. This is the thing happen. Okay, like this in the IHS it will be there. I will show you. Vim HTTP d.conf. This is server name. We can give here DNS IP address and port number, security, it will give secure. Okay, one of the guy asking, I will show you who's asking. After the class, I will show you implementation type, XI data source. Under this, next, in this path, OJDBC 8.jar is applicable. This is the path. See, OJDBC 8. Next, finish. Select under data source and click new. And here my database user ID is Ganesh and my database user ID is Ganesh and the password is under JNDA JDBC slash Ganesh or data source and next, and here connectivity URL. This is connectivity URL. I have documentation is there. So in the documentation I have apps under Oracle. See Oracle 11G we are using. Run SQL command line can use con Ganesh connected. I selected connected. Okay, no issues reported. Next, and we have map here authentication alias Oracle database. This is one of the certification question. This is finish. This is resource.xml file is updating. I am deleted both. I will configure one more time. Mapping alias Oracle database. Next, finish. After this, go to the environment. Go to WebSphere variables. We can configure under DM cluster. This is path. Okay. This is universal driver path located. After this, go to the system administration under nodes, under node agents, under node agents. Sorry. under node agents, select all, restart all servers on node. After this, go to the resources, data source, and select cluster and select and test connection. Is there any issues? You must be saved. Go to the JDBC provider and click data cluster and data source and select and test connection. Any issues you can resolve. See, test connection success, no issues reported. Like this, you can resolve the data source and test connection and all the things. Cluster down, these are the issues while facing in real-time scenarios. How to verify logs and all the things. We can access log and error log. We can configure OPT IBM HTTP server logs. There is PIM access logs CD. Si- 200 error, 200. Okay, this is 408 one time error when 12th April 408 request timeout. Like this. After this, vim error.log. See, certification errors, SSL handshake, no certificate is mapped. This is the errors you can notice that. Okay, these are the real time scenarios you can face it. Any issues, ask me, I will give the resolution. These are the issues in the real time scenarios. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please subscribe the channel and share to your friends and relatives. If you enter a software field, WebSphere is the main technology to learn all the things, and ITIL process also we can learn. And what is ITIL? I forgot it. ITIL, Information Technology and Information Library. library. Okay. In this we have change request and emergency change incidents, incidents, incident, task, problem records, etc. This is P1, P2, P3 and P4 will be resolved without breach SLA. Okay. What is SLA? Service level agreement. Okay. This is now present ITIL version 4.x. I think we are in. These are the issues identified in the real-time scenarios, and we have some environments are there. One is dev and sit that environment and production environment. Okay, we have we have tested the application in all environments, hence the test cases is passed true, then only will move to the application in production environment. Okay, application in production environment. We have separate supporting teams available for the application. One is operational coordination group, group all support center. Another team is DNS team, load balancer team, cyber team or IAM team, identity access management team. After this, application development team, 6-1, application support team or admin teams, service no teams, cab team, change authority, would, etc. etc. Okay, these are the teams available in the applications in real time scenarios. Okay, this is the solutions. Okay, please share channel to your friends and family members. Those who are working or non-working. This is very helpful while entering the software fields. VAS is very important. After VAS, you can migrate other technologies, DevOps and WebLogic and AWS and Azure. WebSphere is the main. If you understand each and every concept, remaining technology is not very tough. It is very easily identified and grasping. This is the main technology for WebSphere. Everything is good and fine. WebLogic, Apache Tomcat, and AWS and DevOps, each and every concept is very simple. If you don't know VAS, AWS and DevOps, very difficult to understand the concept. Okay, this is the main course. WebSphere is the main. This is the thing happen in the real times. Okay, thank you for watching this. We can close the class. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Happy Shri Ram